is the next high profile device. People are looking to the whole smartphone segment. Think of it. It's all confirmed. What's up? We are back with the latest Samsung news. We have quite possibly the three big things regarding the Galaxy S2 series confirmed, including officially final name for the Samsung Ultra flagship. Samsung possibly designed for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and a new downgrade is confirmed. It seems like every year Samsung is making downgrades. When it comes to its Galaxy S series, time is about battery. Yes, that's right. We have the live look at the actual battery for the Galaxy S22. The battery is certified by the South Korean certification agency, which the Galaxy S22 model number the S901B. Looking ATE, the battery size typically capacity is now about 3700 million power compared to the 400 that we saw on the Galaxy S21 last year. Both Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will have the display coming at 6.1 size by 6.5 inches, also more efficiently display than the S21 and 21 Plus. The Exynos 220 based on RMV9 and the latest 5 nanometer plus technology. It will bring more efficiency gain. 22s 6 inches display. Samsung is looking to make world modern looking mini Android phone in the market. Now as Ultra model, the battery is still coming at 500 million bar. Samsung is giving all out with its most expensive flagship and once again it called Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yes, despite this phone looking a Note phone and despite all the rumors saying that the track records it's likely the Samsung will be using the S22 Ultra name. Its P-shaped quad camera setup we have now seen bunch of different cases render looks for the Galaxy S2 Ultra embracing the camera, the design. It's back with the bang in case you will seen living under the rock. Samsung will 2022 is coming date, head and press the trigger on the Note 22 Ultra. Coming in warm colors, the dark red color that Samsung brings exclusively, it's definitely the right mode. First possible, Samsung fans are curiously waiting for this new phone. It's a true game changer for the smartphones. It have not only power, battery, also with a plenty of new features with a great display. The first stroke of the pen on the Galaxy S22 Samsung experimented. It is this year adding support for the pen. The chipset also work on Wi-Fi 7. The sensor 2 with 6, the Exynos 2200 is going to be used ARMS. New V9 architecture and new technology that's going to make for much more powerful and efficient chip. Both as we know Samsung not using to mail GPU. It's officially announced they're going to be launching its new chipset with an AMD graphics processor. The Computex keynote event AMD GPU 2200 Exynos is based on latest RDNA 2 architecture which is 6000 series of cards and also used PC5 Xboxes Series X's which bring ray tracing variable rate shading to the smartphones. Incredibly desire for the games and incredibly desire for the gamers. Of course, the display on the top, the latest and the greatest technology, S22 Galaxy, with a huge power in both CPU and the graphic performance, the only real area left to combat in camera. The selfie camera embedded under need the screen, which means no more punch hole. The focus is on the versatile lenses that are able to take impressive photos and the videos. Samsung are also working with Olympics, and this time around they are going to introducing a sensor shift stabilization which performs much more battery the OIS and the smartphones. Galaxy S22 with 6.2 inches dynamic AMOLED display HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 and of course 120 Hz refresh rate, budget friendly model, triple camera setup, consistency of a wide on ultra wide a telephoto camera. Shape Dragon, Chipset Dragon, System, chipset with model SM84508 GB RAM, Samsung Galaxy, excited for all the fans, and a huge technology which comes a huge production. Samsung Galaxy S22.
A complete continuous phone all the way around. When your fingers overlap with the module, you feel immense satisfaction. The most powerful Android phone in the market. It feels like a feature is heavily exceptional, which is bringing the bright mode of photos and the videos. Galaxy S22, the craze on high. The greatest and the latest technology is come in the market. The Samsung Galaxy S Note is coming back with a powerful high look. If you like this video, please like, share, comment below and press the icon button for the more information. And finally, last but not the least, Samsung fans, good luck for you to the Galaxy S22. High display, high coloring, high quality, and the battery timing with fast charging mode. Be ready for the Galaxy S22.